Let's be honest, we've all seen the headlines. AI isn't some distant sci-fi threat anymore. It's not just a concept in movies or a research project in some university lab. It's here, it's real, and it's rapidly changing the landscape of our daily lives and, more importantly, our careers. It's already in your phone, powering everything from voice assistants to facial recognition. It's behind your streaming recommendations, suggesting what you might want to watch next with an eerie level of accuracy. And now it's eyeing your job. That's right, the same technology that brews your coffee just the way you like it might also be capable of doing what you do at work. The question on everyone's mind, is a robot going to take my job? It's a valid concern, and one that's being discussed in boardrooms and break rooms alike. When you see AI writing emails or designing logos in seconds, tasks that used to take hours or even days, it's hard not to worry. The speed and efficiency of AI are undeniable, and it's natural to feel a sense of unease. We're in the middle of a technological earthquake, a seismic shift in how we work and live, and the ground beneath the workforce is shaking. Traditional roles are being redefined, and new skills are becoming essential. This isn't just another tech trend, it's not a fad that will fade away, it's a full-blown industrial revolution, one that's changing what work means for everyone. It's impacting every sector, from manufacturing to marketing, and it's forcing us to rethink our approach to careers and education. The future of work could be a utopia of creativity where AI handles the mundane tasks, freeing us to focus on innovation and collaboration. Or a nightmare of job loss, where automation leads to widespread unemployment and economic inequality. But the truth is probably somewhere in between. The reality is likely to be a complex mix of challenges and opportunities. This isn't just a conversation for tech billionaires. It's not just about the future of Silicon Valley, it's for all of us. Warehouse workers, designers, the backbone of our economy, paralegals, customer service agents, the people who keep our businesses running. The AI revolution isn't knocking on the door, it's not waiting for an invitation. It's already in the lobby, resume in hand, it's ready to work, and it's eager to prove its worth. So let's set aside the panic and look at what's really happening. Let's move beyond the hype and the fear-mongering and examine the facts. We'll explore the real risks, the potential downsides of AI adoption in the workplace, the surprising opportunities, the ways in which AI can actually enhance our jobs and create new possibilities, and what you, an actual human, can do about it. What skills will be valuable in the age of AI? How can you adapt and thrive in this changing landscape? The future isn't just something that happens to you, it's something you can prepare for. It requires proactive learning, adaptation, and a willingness to embrace new technologies. And yes, preparing might mean more than just being nice to your laptop. Although a little appreciation never hurts. Let's dive in. Let's get started on this journey together. The AI debate is a shouting match between doomsayers and optimists. Doomsayers see AI as a job-devouring monster. Why pay people when software works faster, cheaper, and never takes a sick day? They point to automation's history of replacing manual labor and now mental labor too. For them, AI is the endgame mass unemployment, humans obsolete. Optimists, on the other hand, see AI as the ultimate collaboration tool. They believe AI will handle the boring stuff, freeing us for creativity, problem-solving, and empathy. History backs them up. Every tech revolution killed some jobs but created more, often better ones. Who imagined app developers or social media managers 30 years ago? The optimists say AI will create new industries we can't even imagine yet. In their future, AI does the grunt work and humans do what only humans can. So which side is right? Maybe both. To truly grasp the profound impact of artificial intelligence, we need to follow the money. It's the most direct and revealing path to understanding the scale and scope of this technological revolution. Where is the investment flowing? Which sectors are experiencing the most significant financial influx? These are the questions that will unlock the secrets of AI's transformative power. Consider this. McKinsey, a leading global consulting firm, projects that AI has the potential to add a staggering $13 trillion to the global economy by the year 2030. This isn't just a marginal increase, it's a monumental shift that will reshape industries and redefine economic landscapes. This isn't just about a shiny new product or a fleeting trend, it's a fundamental shift, a new economic engine driving growth and innovation across all sectors. AI is poised to become the driving force behind a new era of prosperity, impacting everything from manufacturing to healthcare. This immense value creation stems from the profound transformation of how businesses operate at every level. Companies are rapidly adopting AI-powered solutions to streamline processes, enhance efficiency, and unlock new opportunities. And this transformation inevitably leads to a reshaping of the job market, with existing roles evolving and entirely new ones emerging. The skills and knowledge required to thrive in the workplace are undergoing a dramatic shift. The World Economic Forum estimates that AI will displace approximately 85 million jobs by 2025. This is a significant number that highlights the potential for disruption and the need for proactive adaptation. However, the same report also predicts the creation of 97 million new jobs, suggesting that AI will ultimately be a net positive for employment. The key lies in ensuring that individuals have the skills and training necessary to fill these emerging roles. The real question that looms large is whether people will possess the right skills and qualifications to effectively perform these new roles. Will the workforce be adequately prepared for the demands of an AI-driven economy? It's not simply a scenario of robots taking over all human jobs and rendering the workforce obsolete. Instead, it's a period of massive disruption, a fundamental reshuffling of the economic landscape, and a profound transformation of industries across the board. Imagine a global game of musical chairs, where the music represents the rapid pace of technological advancement, and the chairs symbolize job opportunities. As the music plays on, some of the old familiar chairs begin to vanish, representing the obsolescence of traditional jobs. Simultaneously, new and unfamiliar chairs appear, symbolizing the emergence of new opportunities and career paths. However, not everyone possesses the knowledge or skills to comfortably and effectively sit in these new chairs. Many find themselves struggling to adapt to the changing landscape. This is the essence of the skills gap, the defining challenge of navigating the AI era and harnessing its full potential for the benefit of all. The financial resources and job opportunities will undoubtedly be available, but they will be concentrated in new locations and will demand a completely different set of skills and abilities than those traditionally valued. In order to claim a piece of this massive $13 trillion prize and to ensure a future of shared prosperity, individuals, businesses, educational institutions, and governments alike must make significant and sustained investments in retraining programs, upskilling initiatives, and accessible education for all. To ignore this imperative is to build sandcastles on the shore, blissfully unaware of the approaching tidal wave of technological disruption. The wave of change is not only coming, but it's accelerating at an unprecedented pace, demanding immediate and decisive action. Which jobs are most at risk? The ones built on predictable, repetitive tasks. If your job is a series of logical steps, AI can probably do it. Data entry clerks, payroll processors, and basic administrative assistants are first in line. AI can process thousands of invoices or spreadsheets in seconds, error-free. Basic customer service roles, especially scripted call center jobs, are being replaced by chatbots. Manufacturing and assembly line work is also vulnerable, as AI-powered robots become smarter and more adaptable. Even some finance and law roles, like paralegals and junior analysts, are at risk, as AI excels at large-scale information analysis. The pattern is clear. If your job is about executing a routine process, it's time to think about your next move. Adaptability is key. Now for the good news, many jobs are still safe from AI. If your work relies on creativity, emotional intelligence, or navigating unpredictable environments, you're in luck. Jobs rooted in empathy and care, nurses, therapists, teachers, require genuine human connection. AI can diagnose a disease, but it can't comfort a patient or calm a child. High-level creativity and strategy, scientists, artists, entrepreneurs, are also safe. AI can remix, but it can't invent or dream up something truly new. Skilled trades like plumbers and electricians are safe too. Every job site is different, and improvisation is key. Real-world problem-solving is still a human specialty. For now, the beautiful chaos of life is beyond AI's reach. If you can fix a toilet or inspire a team, you're in demand. Step 1. Stop panicking, start learning. The most important thing you can do is embrace lifelong learning. The days of a single skill set lasting a lifetime are over. You don't need another degree, just a commitment to keep updating your skills. Take online courses, attend workshops, earn certifications, or simply read about emerging trends. Think of your skills like software. If you don't update, you'll become obsolete. Look for what's becoming valuable in your industry and learn it. Don't wait for your boss to send you to training, take the initiative. The most successful people will be adaptable learners, ready to pivot and reinvent themselves. This isn't a grim reality. It's empowering, you're never stuck. You can always learn your way into a new role. The first step to future-proofing your career: get excited about learning. The future belongs to the curious. For years, technical skills were king. Now, soft skills are your superpower. Communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence, these are what set you apart from AI. AI can crunch data, but it can't lead a team, negotiate, or inspire. As routine tasks are automated, human work becomes more collaborative and project-based. Critical thinking is essential. AI finds answers, but humans ask the right questions. Problem-solving in messy, uncertain situations is a human specialty. Emotional intelligence, empathy, persuasion, social awareness makes great leaders and teammates. As tech makes work more efficient, it also makes human connection more valuable. Your humanity is now your greatest asset. The straight-line career is dead. Today, your path is a maze, full of pivots and reinventions. Flexibility and adaptability are survival skills. You might start as a designer, then pivot to creative director or UX specialist as AI changes your field. See your skills as a foundation, not a fixed job title. Develop a T-shaped skill set, deep expertise in one area, broad knowledge across others. This combo makes you resilient. If your specialty is automated, your broad skills help you pivot. Career adaptability is a mindset. See change as an invitation to grow. Scan the horizon, watch trends, and be honest about when to learn something new. It's scary to leave a familiar role, but standing still is riskier. The future belongs to the nimble and curious. Embrace the maze. The best way to thrive: stop seeing AI as a rival, see it as a collaborator. The winners will be those who use AI to amplify their own abilities. AI plus human beats AI versus human. Learn to use the tools relevant to your field. Don't fear them. Writers can use AI for research and editing. Analysts can use it for data crunching. You don't need to be a programmer, but you do need AI literacy. Experiment with tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney. Understand their strengths and weaknesses. New roles are emerging. AI prompt engineers, trainers, auditors, strategists. Be the human in the loop. Guide the tech, interpret its output, and apply it wisely. Don't run from AI, be the one who wields it best. The rise of artificial intelligence has sparked a lot of conversations, and perhaps even a little anxiety. Will AI take your job? It's a question on many people's minds as we see AI systems becoming more capable and integrated into various industries. Maybe. It's a complex issue with no easy answers. The truth is, some jobs will likely be automated or significantly altered by AI, but the bigger story is about change, a constant in human history, and especially relevant in our rapidly evolving technological landscape, and our ability to adapt. It's about how we respond to these changes, how we learn and grow, and how we prepare ourselves for the future of work. Every tech leap brought anxiety, from the printing press to the Industrial Revolution. People worried about their livelihoods, their skills becoming obsolete, but also new opportunities and better definitions of work. These technological advancements ultimately created new industries, new jobs, and a higher standard of living for many. The fear of obsolescence is real, and it's important to acknowledge those concerns. It's natural to feel uncertain when facing such significant changes, but not inevitable. We have the power to shape our own destinies and influence the future of work. Your career's future isn't solely in the hands of an algorithm. It's not a predetermined outcome dictated by machines. It's in yours. You have agency, the ability to make choices and take actions that will determine your path forward. Choose to be proactive. Don't wait for the future to happen to you. Take control and actively shape your career. Invest in yourself, learn, acquire new skills, and adapt to the changing demands of the job market. And embrace technology as a partner. See AI not as a threat, but as a tool that can enhance your abilities and make you more effective. The choice between being replaced or augmented by AI is largely yours. Will you resist the change, or will you embrace it and find ways to work alongside AI? This is a chance to reinvent work, to create a more fulfilling and meaningful work experience for everyone. Automate the drudgery, free ourselves from repetitive and mundane tasks that can be easily handled by machines, elevate the human. Focus on the uniquely human skills that AI cannot replicate: creativity, critical thinking, empathy, and complex problem solving. The future can be more creative, allowing us to explore new ideas, innovate, and express ourselves in ways we never thought possible, collaborative and meaningful. We can build stronger teams, work together more effectively, and find deeper purpose in our work. The ground is shifting, the foundations of work are changing beneath our feet, but that means it's time to learn to dance. Embrace the change, adapt to the new rhythms of the workplace, and find your own unique way to thrive. The coming years will be challenging. There will be obstacles and uncertainties along the way, but full of potential. The opportunities for growth, innovation, and positive change are immense. Don't fear the robot in the break room. It's not there to steal your lunch or your job. Figure out how to work together. Explore the possibilities of human-AI collaboration and discover how you can complement each other's strengths. The future isn't written yet. It's a blank page waiting to be filled with our ideas, our actions, and our aspirations. You can help write it. You have the power to shape the future of work and create a better world for yourself and for generations to come. Let's get to work. Let's build a future where technology empowers us, where work is meaningful, and where everyone has the opportunity to thrive.